May I, Your Lordship? May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12. I have taken the consent of the appellant, Your Lordship. It may be listed after Puja vacation, Your Lordship.
Third week.
Not obliged.
Third week of November.
Yes, Lordship.
Third week of November.
Okay.
Yes.
Lords, I beg to mention item number 6. I am on behalf of the conducting counsel for the appellant. He is currently in this post and out of station, my lord. Matter may be fixed after this ensuing puja break.
Answering for that. Yes.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, with regards to item number 14 and 15. IA 156/23. Lordship, in this case, the respondent was supposed to file reply on the last date. So today we have received a copy of reply. So it may be fixed for hearing on 6th after puja break.
Your Honor, we have already filed. We have already filed.
After vacation.
Yes, today only we have received a copy.
Only.
Deeply obliged.
Maybe one. This is a public interest litigation.
Yes, Maluda.
This is a public interest litigation, right? And the issue is that in 2004, road construction was undertaken by the BRO, implementing agencies, BRO, Border Roads Organization. So from 2004 to 2017, somehow, although they undertook the project, they could not implement, road could not be constructed. Thereafter, from 2008 onwards, when a fresh exercise was undertaken. Now, 2018, a fresh exercise, 2017, up to 2017, they could not do anything. Now, from 2018, when the fresh exercise was undertaken, we filed a representation. Lordship, may kindly have a look at the representation that will give the picture of what is our grievance, my lord, page 41. We just want that they should do it through an alternative route because of the reasons we have highlighted here. Page 41, my lord. To the Chief Engineer, Project Arunak, Nahar Lagoon AP, request for endorsement of alternative alignment survey by designing consultants, AP TISA and Ignicio Private Limited for Taliha to Tato Road and change of road alignment thereof on the basis of suitability, of feasibility, of distance, short duration for completion period, as well as in the interest of the benefit of the public. Number one, though through reliable source, it has come to the knowledge of earlier existing road alignment from Taliha to Tato Road via Payang, last village, is being resurveyed and realigned due to through topographical features, high altitude steep slope, gorges, hard rock, long distance, high compensation demand by villagers. Further, it is also come to, we have also come to know that this road is being resurveyed and realignment to CC River, CK River without serial number one, short distance, proper alignment, less expenditure, short duration of this we matter. Villages free of cost. And by executing affidavits, we have confirmed that, my lord. 24/4/2023, page 82, my lord, onwards. and make a survey whether this is suitable or not. Respondent number 8 and 9 are two forms from Kolkata, my lord. Now, what has happened? Lord, will you kindly see page 52, my lord. Because of our representation, a joint survey was conducted by the two forms, that is respondent number 8 and 9. We have only given photograph because we do not have any minor proceedings on the minutes of the meeting. But then these photographs will show that a joint survey was conducted and the participants were the respondent number 8, respondent number 9, and the BRO. And of course, the state administration officials were also present. Now, after this, my lord, this joint survey, they have found out they have not submitted any report. Now, Lord will kindly see page 57. They have given some report saying, showing, my lord, page 57, not sure has got, my lord. This one of the two respondents, respondent number 8 and 9, my lord, they have submitted this report. They have given a table also. Now, they want to show in the table, Lord will kindly see Taliha Tato Road via Payang through route. They want it through Payang, via Payang. We want it via Nimpu. Now, progress by villagers, it is a short distance as per Google Earth physical survey experience by villagers. Then fresh cutting for new formation is about 47 kilometers, etc. They have given. And thereafter, my lord, Lord, may kindly turn to page 73. This is the type copy of the minutes of meeting regarding endorsement of alternative arrangement. Original copies at page 70 is not legible. That is why we give a type copy. Minutes of meeting regarding endorsement of alternative alignment survey by designing consultants, Messrs. Ignicio. This is number 8 for up to 0 kilometer to 30 kilometer, and Messrs. So 30 kilometer to 109 kilometer Taliha Tato Road, and change of road alignment via Nimpu villages on the basis of suitability or visibility of distance. Now, number 1, a video conference was held on 28/3/2023, my lord, at 11:30 hours at so under the chairmanship of so Commander 23 BRTF to review the alignment as proposed by Silan Valley People's Welfare Forum, that is the petitioner, number 1, and all Arunachal Pradesh Students Union, APSU, petition number 2. Now, Lord, should you kindly straightway turn to page 75. What is the outcome of this meeting? The meeting has ended with direction of the commander. Commander is the implementing agency, my lord. The meeting has ended with a direction of the commander 23 BRTF to Messrs. Ignicio, that is respondent number 8, my lord, that preliminary survey to be carried out on the alignment as proposed by the two petitioners, my lord, in short form, and justifying their alignment is tenable or not tenable. If it is suitable and economical, then change of scope and the time will be added with your contract agreement. This was the last version of the commander. See, you do it, make a survey, preliminary survey, then you let us know whether there should be any change or not. Now, when this was directed, no result, my lord, no survey, straight away, my lord, they have started, the state administration people have started. Page 80, before I go to that, my lord, I'll just take a look at page 88 once. Yes, I'm sorry, my lord, page 88. So letter of ADC dated 24th of April 2023. Forwarding of unconditional land donation by villagers and change of alignment thereof as proposed by the two petitioners. And now Lordship, kindly see the operative part of this letter at page 89, last paragraph, my lord, few lines. After detailed examination of above factors, it is found that the alignment being proposed by the two petitioners, my lord, given in short form, is easy for road construction, and it stands with all possible feasibility and sustainability, and thus you are hereby requested to accord the proposed alignment and change the road alignment on the basis of feasibility. State government is also accepting our suggestion. We are only suggesting. Thereafter, Lordship will kindly see, nothing was done. Straightway they have gone for land acquisition. A draft notification was prepared, which is available at page 150, my lord. It's only at the draft stage, my lord. Then we have objected to it by filing representations, which I have annexed, my lord. You will find page 153 onwards. Then at page 160, Lordship will find this was returned. This draft notification was returned. Page 160, my lord. For page 160. This is by Director of Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, written to the Deputy Commissioner. Forwarding for complaint letter, this is so. Enclosed, find here with a copy of the complaint letter dated 18/5/2023 received from Chairman to petitioners, my lord, in connection with a draft notification of land acquisition for construction of stretch from 0 to 30 km in Taliha-Tato Road. Therefore, I am directed to request you to resubmit the proposal after the claims and objections are disposed of from your end. They are not listening. They are going ahead even by ignoring the suggestion and direction of the state administration, my lord. Now, Lordship may kindly see page 178. My lord, may kindly excuse me. I'm taking on
178.
My lord, before that, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord, page 164 once. This is very important.
164.
164, my lord. Letter dated 12th of June 2023 from the Deputy Commissioner to the Graf, my lord. That is the commander. Notification for, Lordship has got my page 164. Notification for acquisition of land for so-and-so under Pine Circle in Upper Supansiri district for construction of NHIDCL from Taliha to Tato Road. In reference to the above subject, you are requested to clarify that the ground survey and public consultation had been carried out in consultation with land management officials, and whether the said road strength is part of national highway. If it is so, you are requested to obtain clarification from the MOT or to whether National Highway Act 1956 is proposed or not for frontier highway, and if they have any observation regarding use of National Highway Act 1956 for land acquisition for frontier highway. Further, as information sought by the Silan Valley People's Welfare Forum, that is petitioner, my lord, of Taliha and Pine Circles, you are also requested to furnish the following information to the undersigned for clarity in the process of the land acquisition in the above stretch. A copy of the physical field verification survey report, joint physical survey report, then DPR consultant, a copy of the public consultation meeting conducted by DPR consultant prior to physical survey, field survey, a copy of the letter of award and contract agreement with signed between DPR consultant and implementing agency, and a copy of various alignments options explored and submitted by DPR. Now, in the face of all this, my lord, comes the page 178 letter. Lord will kindly see. This is a letter once now from the Graf itself in response to a legal notice, my lord. No? Yes. Now, Lord, page 178, my lord. Kindly refer your letter number so and so. The following is submitted for your information as reply to your legal notice, and please act the same. It is intimated that Taliha Tato Road from 0 to 30 km from Pine side is endorsed to Messrs. Ignicio Infrastructure Project Limited for preparation of road alignment, survey, and detailed project report, and 30 to 109 km was given to APT service. This one number 8 and 9, my lord. Whereas it was also intimated that stretch from 0 to 30 km falls under Taliha's site, and from 30 to 109 falls under Tato's side. Only Taliha's side was fallen under my jurisdiction. I have remained as officer in charge as DETT Taliha period from August 2019 to 10th April 2023, and during this incumbency period, no field survey or a joint field survey was done along with DPR consulted from 0 to 30 kilometer, except existing BRO road of 6 kilometer. So without doing anything, they are going, on the one hand, they are going ahead, on the other hand, my lord, the joint survey that was made, they are not reflecting the report, they are not publishing the report. And we have, my lord, volunteered to donate our land free of cost, that they are not listening. They are not saying that your suggestion is not correct, but somehow they are going ahead with the earlier one. And earlier, my lord, for about 9 years, they could not construct. And in 2017, they had to abandon the construction of the road. The same route they are again starting. Our irrigation is, my lord, they want to misappropriate the fund. We are suggesting an alternative route. People are saying that we are going to give our land free of cost. They are not making the survey. All that we want is you make a survey, find out what is your assessment. Now their officers are saying that no, nothing was done.
Yes, respondent side.
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 1 and 3.
And just for a moment, yesterday, in connection with one case I submitted, I am again submitting. Since the land is required for the central government, under section 3E, my lord, the appropriate government is the central government. Now, there is no sanction from the central government, and they have prepared the draft notification under section 11 of the Land Acquisition Act. Because survey itself is not over. Consultancy services, they are playing their own thing, my lord.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 4, 5, 6, and 7, my lord. My lord, at this stage notice may be issued, my lord, we will take instruction from the department.
You are for
For respondent number 1 and 3.
1,
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Yes.
I'm for respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
2. Then remains 7, 8, 9.
My lord, 7, I am appearing, my lord.
You are representing
Yes, my lord.
7, 8, 9.
No, my lord, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
You are representing 4, 5, and 6.
And 7 also, my lord.
7.
Grave, my lord.
All right.
General
8,
engineer.
9.
8, 9, not my lord, they are private respondent, my lord. 8 and 9.
Okay. This public interest litigation has been filed. Then page number 36, 37. Issue notice to the respondents number 8 and 9. 8, 9,
My lord,
8 and 9
8 and 9.
by registered at the post.
Ma'am.
So what do you say regarding this interim prayer?
My lord, my prayer is that my,
I have heard you.
Yeah.
You want to offer your land
yes,
without
compensation. Who will offer, my lord? Now under
But,
2013
how
Act,
is a technical feasibility report? That is
report, yes,
important.
let them come up with a survey and a report.
Mm.
I want that report should be placed before your lordship, because they are not publishing, they are not disclosing the report.
My lord, I'll take instruction from the department.
At this lordship, Lord Senior, he's saying that the proposed road is shorter. But roads connect the people also. If the proposed road.
Without connection,
He's
not
saying
submitting that
the
way.
road
Na?
to be constructed.
Yeah,
It is not-
that will serve the purpose.
The construction
According to Lana Senior Council, that will serve the purpose.
will have.
That is the shortest route.
My lord.
You will obtain instruction.
My lord.
So it have short time to obtain instructions. Release the matter in the second week,
Of next month, my lord.
next month. In the
Lord, may
DB.
kindly give a fixed date, fixed date.
Fix the DB when? Santosh, DB date, second week of November. 14.
There is some interim order. My lord. My prayer is that into the survey which they are supposed to make, they themselves are saying that the commander is saying that make a preliminary survey. Lordship may direct that preliminary survey should be done, and without the preliminary survey, no finalization of the DPR, my lord. That much will only do. Let them do the survey. Huh? And construction has not been started, land has been acquired. In fact, my lord, preliminary notification also has not been issued till date. So there is where the Lordship may direct that preliminary survey as suggested should be immediately done. And without doing that, they should not finalize the DPR, my lord. Our concern is DPR cannot be finalized without the preliminary survey, which the commander himself is saying.
Any the status quo as on today? Till the returnable date, you come with full instructions. And if possible, file the affidavit on that day. Till the returnable date. The respondents are directed to maintain status quo in respect of the acquisition process undertaken.
And
in
finalization.
respect of construction of Dalihar Destatu route via Payang through route of CC of the CK, na?
Well,
CK River. CK. Till a returnable date.
yes, ma'am. But this
As on today, give the date.
and DPR, my lord, they should not finalize the DPR without the preliminary
Status
survey.
quo, let them whatever they
Well,
like,
status
but the acquisition process has been state. State means the status quo,
Status.
as on today. This will serve your
My
purpose.
lord, your
Public
lordship is
interest
correct,
will
my
be
lord.
served.
But before land acquisition, another step is there, my lord, this DPR. Lordship may say that DPR should not be
Will
finalized.
not do status quo sufficient. Iman?
Please, sir. Your Lordship, we have filed this PRL for non-completion of NAC road project in East Kamen district, Arunachal Pradesh.
NAC.
NAC, North East Council. Your Lordship, this project was
NAC.
initiated in the year 2006. And accordingly, the NIT was plotted in the year 2007. And in the year 2008, the work was allotted to Gammon India. After the tender process was plotted, the work was allotted to Gammon India Private Limited. And after the execution of the work, after the agreement, for the agreement, it was the conditions were given that the project will be completed within 4 years. That means in the year 2013, it has to be completed. But the project could not be completed. That's why the team from NEC and the implementing agency had made findings in the year 2013. And the implementing agency had made an excuse that due to the rainy season, due to law and order situation, the project could not be completed in the year 2014. And accordingly, the project was extended for another 6 months. But still then it could not be completed. And after that, it has been extended for more than 4 times in the year 2013, 14 to 18, 18 to 19, and 19 to 2021. And still today, the project is still under pendency and there is no sign of any construction work going on in the project site. Therefore, Your Lordship, we have come before this court for early completion of the project so that the affected people of Chang Tado district, given their
Item number 2, not 3.
And Your Lordship,
To this.
project, this has been 15 years now. In fact, the petitioner, when when the project started, that time he was 20 years. Now he we have also, in fact, enclosed the documents to show that even there is some kind of inquiries also going on against some officers.
All is sufficient.
Therefore, Your Lordship, at this stage, we have like this just notice maybe.
Issue no extra copy of the petition.
I will be-
Exact number of petitions. Katu is
For respondent number 1, 2, 3, man.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
And 4 to 12, I'll be appearing.
4 to 3. Yes, have accepted notice. Requisite number of copy of the petition along with the documents and it's appended there to be furnished today within 2 days. So issue notice to respondents number the remaining respondents by registered daily post. Steps be taken within 2 days.
Always.
List in the 4th week of November.
Yes, ma'am.
Allegation is selling of question papers.
My lord, here the,
Question paper in Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. Very good.
Yes, madam. my lord, here,
What to do now?
Yeah.
You are petitioner in person?
Yeah, sir.
Achha. What's the allegation?
So
What is your grievance here?
So my legal aid counsel has some family issues, so he cannot unable to come here today. So kindly give me 4 months, 4 weeks time again.
4 weeks time
Yeah.
for
My last order, respondents were directed to file affidavit.
Worship,
They
they
are
have not served extra copies to us till now, Your Worship.
Extra copy. File on behalf of some respondent of the resolution, we have file the affidavit in which it claims. Need to be done. Need to be done in the next 4 weeks. So and so. Run it government, senior government advocate
No, Your Worship.
Junior.
Yes.
or government advocate.
Government advocate. Your Worship.
Government
Junior-
advocate. Appealing for respondents number. 1. All the respondents,
No, for 3 and 4.
3 and 4. Who is representing this 1 and 2?
Land.
Then Kamduk, Mr. Kamduk.
Land management department this time. The nomenclature should be changed. Land acquisition.
Yes, Lordship, I'm representing respondent number 1 and 2.
You file affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
A requisite number of copy of the petition along the documents be furnished to her within 2 days. Also, have you received copy?
No, extra copy.
Same thing.
Okay, no problem.
Mention of it. This in the 4th week.
All right.
Here, my lord, we have received our instruction, my lord. We need some time, my lord, to file affidavit, my lord. We have received instruction, my lord.
You have received instructions.
Yes, my lord. We need some time, my lord, some more time to file affidavit.
And so, Lord, government, your senior government advocate.
No, my lord.
Government
Government
advocate submits that required instructions are received from the concerned department. The space for.
Your Lordship, the-
affidavit in opposition.
Your Lordship, respondent number 4 may be issue. No, notice issue the respondent 4. Because last time the order is passed by the Supreme Court for taking by the all respondent by the GA, all the respondents. That's why we have
You
not
are for all the
started.
respondents.
No, my lord. 1 to 3, my lord.
1 to 3.
Yes, my lord. 4 is by name, my lord. 4, respondent 4 is by name, my lord.
Notice served on notice.
Last time not served the notice to the private respondent number 4. That's why is maybe issue to the notice to respondent number 4.
Notice not served on respondent number 4.
Yes.
Yes, and that's a one officer. What is it? Nothing will be. Like it is submitted that. A notice on the respondent number 4 is yet to be served. The petitioner shall take praise steps. Praise steps by registered ready post. Praise steps be taken by
Yes,
registered
yes,
ready
praise
post
steps.
for service on the respondent number 4. Within 2 days. It's 14th. 14th of November.
Without any notice, so cause notice, my appointment was cancelled. At least I could have been heard. Opportunity of hearing may be given.
Yes, response.
Elaborate my lord, hearing will be required, my lord. Let notice be issued at this system, my lord. Sorry, my lord, matter may be admit, my lord.
Huh?
Matter may be admit, my lord.
Matter maybe.
Admit, my lord. About any interim period, my lord, for that, my lord, I need to take
Admit.
instruction, my lord. The impugn order is of order, it is dated, my lord. 4/8, my lord, 2023, my lord. So, my lord, what is the state, my lord, here, whether the appellant, my lord, is still in the service or not, my lord?
Issue notice. Notice already. You have received notice now?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, referring for all the respondents.
Admit. At least in the 4th week of November for hearing.
Yes, my lord. Appeal may be admitted for him.
Admitted.
Apply.
My lord, as per last order dated 5th June 2023, my lord. SSB, Staff Selection Board, was directed to file the affidavit as to how long they will take for initiating the fresh recruitment rule. Now, in response to this order, my lord, they have filed the affidavit stating that till now, my lord, the requisition has not been sent for recruitment by the concerned department. my
All
lord.
right, who is appearing for respondent number 7 and 8?
7 and 8, my lord.
Notice serve or not? Not served.
Otherwise, my lord, this is, my lord, the strain of the department that will be, my lord, more important, because this is.
You are for whom?
I am for the land management department.
Land management,
Yes.
focus on land management. One.
Correspondent number 2, 3, 4.
No, one also.
Sorry. No.
Land
One.
management.
Yes,
Yes.
land management, yes. Sir.
1, then 2, 3, 4, 5.
Up to 6, my lord, 2 to
Huh?
6. 2 to
2
6.
to
no.
5, 1 to 5. 1 to oh no, 6.
6.
Hmm?
6, my lord.
Yes,
7 also,
2 to 6.
including the supervisor Kanandu. Nobody is spared.
My lord.
All are implicated. You are repensing all. You are repensing all. Of course, they are by name. 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They are by name. First, private respondents. 7 also.
My lord, let the department file the affidavit.
But you have to serve notice on them.
My lord,
because
that
they
part,
are
that is
implicated.
there, my lord. Only thing is that, my lord, this is actually, my lord, they were writ petitioner, my lord. Because of this, my lord, they are not going to be directly affected. Although we'll take, my lord, earlier we taken step, my lord, will also be, my lord, taking care of this, the service, my lord. Now, as per last order,
Justice service can be done on respond number 7 to 12.
my lord, dusty service, my lord,
Hmm.
that the respond number 1, my lord. In appeal, respond number 1, my lord.
Hmm.
He was a writ petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
Dusty service, my lord, exactly, I cannot say, my lord, where they are presently residing, my lord. As per only, my lord, last order, 5th June order, my lord, see.
Ram, you show me who are the respondents. Who are the respondent page number?
My lord,
Page number in this appeal.
no, 5th June, my lord.
Respondents in this appeal, where they are implemented, page number, relevant page number.
My lord, my lord, my lord. My lord will see at page 4 onward. Page 4, my lord. Page 4, number 1 is Ali Talang, my lord, that's petitioner. And 2 to 6 is official of the land department, my lord. And
You see how the parties are implemented here.
my lord,
Who are appellants, who are respondents, you cannot identify.
my lord, that is why, my lord, that is, my lord,
That is why. Why?
in this happen, my lord, the single, my lord, in writ proceeding, my lord, the petitioner here, appellant here, were respondent, my lord. That is why it has in, my lord. Now, this
I
has
know, you should have shown them specifically. That they are appellants, they are respondents.
yes, my lord. My lord,
Say,
from respondent,
Nowhere that word has been used.
my lord, I'll just
All right.
clarify, my lord.
You notice serve or not?
My lord, I
All-
served, my lord, that report, my lord, we need to ascertain yet, my lord.
No, 7 to 8. 7 to 8 notice not served.
7 to 8, my lord. But that is, they've been implemented by name, my lord.
Okay. Notice is issued for service on the respondents number 7 to 8 by registered telepost, not returned after service. You take fresh steps, appeal matter, no?
My lord, regarding this 7 to 8, we can take dusty service also, because
Justice
either
service
the
or alternatively, justice service.
they're the official of the department.
Officers.
My lord.
Fourth week,
My lord.
this in the 4th week of November.
Deeply.
My lord, in this matter, parties of enter appearance, my lord. The matter may be fixed for hearing after vacation.
Hearing,
Yes, my lord.
matter admitted or not?
Yes, appeal, yes, writ appeal.
Appeal admitted.
In fact, my lord, this writ appeal has been filed against the, my lord,
Interim order.
Interim order passed in the writ petition, my lord.
Acha.
By now, my lord, I have, in the writ petition, my lord, I have appeared for the writ petitioner, my lord, whereby, my lord, the private respondent, the present appellant, has been appointed and posted as an executive engineer in Pasigat, my lord. That was challenged by me, my lord, the writ petitioner, my lord. On the ground that, my lord, he is in, my lord, he has come on deputation from other department, my lord. His substantial post is, my lord, assistant engineer, my lord. There is direction in favor of me by
He
one
is brought
judgment.
on deputation and then promoted.
Yeah, and given the post of executive engineer, my lord. I am a regular executive engineer in the municipal corporation, my lord. And there is a direction of this honorable court in another writ petition that I should be posted as an executive engineer, my lord. Instead of posting me at Pasigat, my lord, he was the one person was brought in deputation, my lord. That was state, my lord. My lord, now, my lord, that person, my lord, the writ appellant, has been again, my lord, transferred to, my lord, Itanagar itself. Now the post is vacant, my lord. And he was released from Pasigat also, my lord, and he has joined at Itanagar, my lord. My lord, may I pray that
Notice not served, na?
Earlier, we have served,
We should mind.
he has entered appearance, that's why.
You are for respondent number 1.
No.
I'm for the respondent number 1, my lord. The writ petition, my
Moving
lord.
to the submissions, we are inclined to stay the order. That's why I'm saying then till the next date.
May I, my lord?
You are representing whom?
I represent respondent number 3.
Talam.
Respondent number 3, Director, ULB.
So here,
1, my lord.
1. You are for?
Pardon, my lord, I'm representing respondent number 4, last respondent.
Not 3.
No, not 3, not 3.
For the government says chief secretary.
Chief Secretary, respondent number 2, Chief Secretary, my lord.
It's a daily post.
And
It may be posted for hearing,
yes, my lord, it can be disposed of
Okay.
next date.
for hearing on a fixed date this time.
On my lord, 7th, my lord, then after opening of the
7, other matters are fixed.
8, my lord.
8, 9, 9 is working day.
Because my lord, some days there won't be division bench also, we have to fix it.
Hmm. Thursday will be, there will be division bench. Thursday, 9, yes, 9.
Yes,
My lord, since 2021, I am not receiving my salaries also, my lord.
9/11.
My lord, I is for condemnation of delay of 64 days in filing this
64 days.
writ appeal.
Objection not yet filed. Well, I have no objection, I think.
Well, delay, I have no objection, otherwise the appeal is not maintainable. Similar appeal has been disposed
Well,
of.
that will be decided on merit.
No, not on merit. my lord.
Say,
No,
this
not
is-
on merit.
Hmm.
Similar appeal, Lordship may kindly have isko do. Copy do. The writ appeal, similar writ appeal has been dismissed. Lordship may kindly have a look at this copy of this appellate judgment of writ appeal number 24 of 22.
This is under section 5 of the limitation act, this one.
No, my lord, delay, I am not opposing.
246.
My lord, lord, senior colleagues, he is not opposing the delay, lordship.
Delay, I am not opposing. Delay may be condoned, appeal may be dismissed on the ground that appeal is not maintainable.
He is coming to the merit of the writ appeal.
Not merit. Similar appeal has been dismissed against similar order, my lord. Lordship may kindly take the copy of this appeal judgment, my lord.
Similar matter has been dismissed,
Yes, my lord.
but this matter remain, it is a different, on different issue, but similarly
My lord,
situated.
this judgment against which they come
Hmm.
is passed on the basis of a judgment passed by almost single judge in a different case.
Oh.
That they have not challenged, and on this ground, another writ appeal was dismissed. This is why I say this also should be dismissed today itself. Similar appeal was filed without challenging the basic order passed by a single judge. This is what has been mentioned in this writ appeal.
Hmm.
It is okay, then?
What do you say?
That is true, Lordship. Let us go chronologically, Lordship. First, there was a writ petition, Lordship. In fact, in that writ petition, the contention raised by the petitioner was same. The contention, it was pertain to the rate of cardamom.
My lord, may kindly have a look at the small 3-4 list of writs I have given. From there, it will be clear. I'm just clarifying. This proposal for construction of road was in 2017. Now, the serial number 2 is the main order which was under challenge in WPC number 240 of 21. And this 24/6/21 was serial number 3, my lord. This honorable court in WPC number 240 of 21 set aside the order dated 24/6/21 aforesaid and directed, etc. Then next comes, this was remanded. Then on remand, then serial number 4, 1/5/22 order was again passed by the deputy commissioners. This was again challenged by us in WPC number 175. Serial number 5, I have given the date of the order dated 13/6/2022. The aforementioned order passed after remand was set aside in WPC number 175 of 22 by order dated 13/6/22. Now, this writ appeal was filed against the second order, that is serial number 5, that is 13/6/22 passed in WPC number 175 of 22. And this was dismissed. Dismissed, my lord, I'll show from the order. I've just given a copy of this order. On the ground that the original order, that is 240, serial number 3, my lord, 240 of 21, order dated 24/6/21 was not challenged by that. And on that ground, the writ appeal 24 of 22, challenging the order passed in WPC number 175 was dismissed. Now what they have done, they have passed this, preferred this writ appeal against order dated 8/9/2022, passed in WPC number 320. And this was disposed of as a covered case, covered by the WPC judgment passed in WPC number 240. Yes. So the writ appeal cannot be maintained. Am I clear, my lord? The judgment on the basis of which this judgment was passed was not challenged, and on this ground, another writ appeal was dismissed. So it can be disposed of on that ground, my lord.
Indeed, we have come up with this writ appeal on the ground that the notification for acquisition to issued under section 10 of regulation. But it does not provide for any solution and interest. It only says about reasonable. Rest Lordship, of course, the issue involved in that writ appeal was also similar. That I must clearly.
And what I have submitted, my lord, in the division bench judgment clearly mentioned that without challenging the original order, you cannot file another writ appeal, challenge that subsequent order. That may be mentioned.
But today's petition is on limitation.
My lord?
On limitation point.
That's what I'm conceding. Limitation may be, petition may be allowed and then appeal order. Appeal may be disposed of. Otherwise, my lord, why I'm saying, my lord, central government is ready, my lord. They have, central government is sanctioned the compensation amount. State, how the state government is agreed, my lord, they are not going to pay the money. Our land has gone, central government has paid the money. Construction of road is also over. How they are objecting the compensation, on what ground? They will not pay. If the compensation is reduced, is the central government will be benefited.
Compensation amount has also
Yes.
paid. Clear.
Release.
Everything.
Sanction.
It has been sanctioned and
Examine.
My learned friend is appearing. Central government has given the money, sanctioned the amount.
Connected retail petition, madam. Time and again, madam, we are asking for the publishing of the madam, details of the bank account of the deputy commissioner for madam, the onward, madam, the transfer of the compensation amount for the ministry. And they are time and again saying that no connected method is pending. before the-
So deputy commissioner is not giving the bank account so that if the bank account is given, money will come to us. How the deputy commissioner is interested in preventing us from getting the money? They are saying that deputy commissioner kindly give me the account, we are to transfer. They are not giving and they are filing a writ appeal here. Your lordship can understand your lordship can understand the
Madam, this is very connected method.
purpose.
Connected method, madam. Contempt petition is also lying before this another court. Madam, in contempt petition, time and again, we are clarifying our way of affidavit that, madam, we, from our side, madam.
No problem.
The order is complaint, madam.
Requiring
But the
authority has
department-
paid, landowners are ready to get the money, state government is saying that there is some, how are they concerned with the rate? Very unfortunate.
Next.
Yes.
Pass you.
No problem.
May your lordship. Lordship, I have been recently appointed as amicus in this case. So registry may be directed to for this paper book.
Paper book already prepared.
I have not been
You have not.
served. I have not been served with the paper book.
Okay. You were legal aid counsel.
No, the previous council has not appeared, so I have been recently appointed as amicus.
Also, and so. Paper book is prepared. However, a copy of the paper book we furnish to give the name.
And Anju.
He knows. Within today we will receive the paper.
Lot.
Paper book. Legal.
After
Please
3
submit.
weeks, after 4 weeks,
After 4 weeks.
obliged.
After 4 weeks. Okay. Thirteen. None appears. And list after 4 weeks. Next.
May I, your lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, during the pendency of this RFA that was filed by the applicant, the matter has actually been settled amicably by both the parties, your lordship. So
Which
we have
one? This RFA?
RFA, your lordship. So we are before this honorable court with the application under order 23 rule 3, your lordship. That is to record the compromise between the parties and thereby pass the consent degree in terms of the aforementioned agreement and the compromise dated 10/6/2023, your lordship. This RFA was filed by the applicant challenging the legality of the decree that was passed by the Honorable Sessions Court, whereby the divorce was allowed, your lordship. And then the decree was passed on 9/12/2023.
Now you have amicably settled the.
Yes, your lordship.
dispute.
So we are before this court that the compromise may be recorded and thereby the consent decree may be passed, your lordship. The agreement is in page number 11, your lordship.
9.
9, sorry, your lordship, page number 9.
So and so. This appeal is preferred against the judgment and decree dated such and such. Mention it. No? Mention it. It is submitted learned counsel for the appellant. You are appellant, no?
Yes, your lordship.
Appellant that the matter in dispute between the parties has been amicably settled outside the court by executing an agreement of mutual settlement. What is the date?
Your lordship, date is in the first
Date
page.
of settlement? Date of settlement.
It's
is-
page 9
they
itself.
on, yes, dated 10/6/2023. Hmm. 10/3/2023. Right. In view of above, the appeal. Appeal stands closed.
Yes, your lordship.
Closed in terms of the agreement of mutual settlement. The agreement of mutual settlement shall form part of the decree. Prepare the decree accordingly. Compromise decree will be there.
Yes, your lordship.
Hmm.
In that, the decree will be in accordance to the agreement also, your lordship.
It is part of that decree.
Yes, your lordship. Much obliged.
I'm sorry, madam. Item number 12, without informing me, opposite party has taken adjournments. And there is interim order.
This is better.
There is interim order. Let interim order.
It is in between you and him.
My lord, I am for the appellant. And-
You are for the appellant.
Yes, madam. They, before taking adjournment, they should inform me, my lord.
Already adjourned, no? To the third week.
12, item number 12, my lord.
12, no?
Yes, madam.
What is the order? Hey, Chala. Huh? Third week of November.
Interim order, dear, my lord. That interim order.
Okay, interim will continue.
Already.
Who was he? Who sought for adjournment? Huh?
Huh?
Please, Lordship and
Lordship and Ladyship, on the last date, we had discussed the 3 grounds of delay laches and who is a central government employee and that the learned single bench's order was not a speaking order. Now we will come
You
to.
finished your document that day.
No. We were halfway
Still.
through. Yes, on the grounds, Lordship.
Oh,
We were halfway through.
Then please be very specific. Huh?
There are actually so many lapses.
My lord, I don't think this matter can be finished, my lord. I understand my learned friend will take some more time. And on my part, I have to show so many documents.
Later finish then.
Yeah, let me conclude my arguments, then you can take up after the vacation.
Thereafter, the argument can be heard virtually. No problem. There is standing order. If you so wish, otherwise I can.
No, Lordship, I would love to conclude the arguments today, and then he can take up his part of the arguments on the next date.
But
there's a puja break. my lord,
long
thereafter.
puja vacation. No?
My lord, it will be a
You
finish.
can complete your argument virtually, no problem. You'll be in Delhi.
Virtually, it's unless we have a
Really,
one-to-one with the bench, virtual, my lordship, honestly, because that's why I personally go to all the high courts, to make, we feel one-to-one, we feel one with the court, so it's.
It would be better, my lord, if some other day is fixed, my lord. My learned friend can come on that day.
But
it will be better if
not
it is.
These banks will not be available.
Yes, so let me conclude it today, and Lordship can note it as that the appellant's arguments have been closed. He can start as the respondent's argument.
But yes,
Who? No, he may do it on the
Sequence,
next day before the.
next day your lordship will have to be sitting together. Then only I can.
Otherwise, it's difficult.
The best thing would be, in my humble submission, my lord, any date convenient to my learned friend, it would be better if it's in the beginning of a week, so that if it spills over, then
Yes, I'm also thinking on that line.
Because tomorrow is the last day. for holidays,
Hmm.
man.
What
If
to do?
my learned friend can think
I'm
of a
okay
day,
with anything.
Monday,
Government pays me to come, so I have no problem.
which starts on a Monday, my lord, then can spill over also.
No, Monday will.
Here the argument,
Hey.
video conferencing.
After becoming first to delay nahi best. Huh? Grievance. Santosh.
Nine to 16.
I'm-
Thursday or both of them on Thursdays.
I can come on 9th and 16th. 6th will not be possible. I have
Any
got
day, any day.
6,
7,
7,
9. 7 or 9.
9, I'm okay, Lordship.
Huh?
I'm okay. I can come. I'll reach on 8th.
On 9.
9th.
I have no issues, but nine is a
I know,
Thursday
I
again.
understand.
I have no issues. I am
No,
here.
you, अच्छा, then बीच में दिवाली 12th का आ जाता है, so I need to be home. I would love to be home.
On 9th. On 9th of November.
I'm good, Lordship.
9th of Kid.
I'm good. 9th and 16th, I'm good.
Pangi?
16th, my lord.
16 you see. Is it convenient?
I'm okay, good. I'm good
16th
on
then.
9th,
On
16th.
16th.
On 16th. But he was talking of a spillover because I will take about 1.5 hours more, Lordship.
Hmm.
And then
Take-
he will take 1.5 to 2 hours also, I know.
Preferably Monday হলে ভালো আছে।
Then maybe we
The
need to,
beginning of the week will be better.
That would have
So
been
that
better.
the arguments can
That
be
would have been
finished.
better.
then we need
All
to
right.
have it on 20.
On 9.
Huh?
9 হলে 2 weeks ওখানে আহিব তো। তেতিয়া 14 হলে দিগদাৰি হ'ব না। নহয়। এই মেটাৰটো পঢ়িলে নহয়, এই জাজকেইজনে জাজমেণ্টটো দিব পৰা হ'ব। কাৰণ 2 weeks, they come for 2 weeks. গতিকে এই 9th will be better. 9th of November will be convenient, I think.
I will conclude my
beginning of the
arguments on
bench.
9th.
Where both judges will be available and they will deliver.
I have no issues. I am here.
Yes.
So we fix for 9th, Lordship?
On 9th.
9th, and I will, since this is a part heard matter, Lordship,
Huh?
this is a part heard, so will you,
But this bench will not be available on that day.
okay. So you are releasing
Because
from,
we are stationed at the principal's here. We are guests here, no?
I know. So what do we do then? Do I need to
On
start?
9th, on 9th.
Do I need to start my
It has to
arguments
be
afresh?
Released from Potter. No.
I'll have to start my arguments afresh then,
Yes.
before the new bill.
Yes. Yes.
That's why I was saying 9 may not be.
Now, I will need at least in continuity 3 hours. I mean, so
But you start in the beginning of the week. So that bench will remain available for the next week.
so
too.
Lordship, 9th is Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday, but in the next week, this is the first week, no? After vacation.
Yes.
Then the next week will this same bench will be available.
Okay, so we do 9th and 16th.
9.
9th we are
Right.
doing. Again, we boil on to 16th. 9th, 16th.
We decided
So
by
that will be
that
decided
different bench. So,
We'll also have
this
to
matter
ensure
was
that this
hard.
is not before Justice Fukan and Justice Kadda Kete, because they also cannot hear this matter. So in case the bench 9th is theirs, it will be difficult.
Inconvenience, the respondent side. The hearing could not be concluded today. As this bench consisting of myself and sister, give the name, will not be available. Immediately after the vacation, the matter is released from Potter. Release the matter on 9th of November. This person.
Deeply obliged, Lordship and Ladyship.
Finish. Be available on that.
My lord, I will be available.
Endeavor shall be made.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, my lord.
That may be.
On
Yes.
that day. And labor shall be made to dispose of the matter.
My lord.
In the meantime, you'll file additional affidavit.
My lord.
Next. All right, next.
My lord.
Mention.
My lord,
My lord,
sorry, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, supplementary list, there are two items, my lord, analogous items, 14 and 15. In that, my lord, item
Supplementary?
14 and 15. Item number 14, my lord, two affidavits were filed. One is by my lord, Commissioner of Education, another is Finance Department. So, my lord, we are hardly in a position to file the affidavit because of some, my lord, for want of some instruction.
Supplementary list.
So, my lord, matter may be fixed on
Oh, this
16.
is supplementary. All
Supplementary. I
right,
have taken the
item
consent.
numbers?
14 and 15. I have taken the consent.
Supplementary 14 and 15.
Or daily. Supplementary hearing. Supplementary hearing 14 and 15.
14 and 15. Same day,
Same day.
on request.
my lord, I beg to mention item number 6, my lord.
6.
Yes, my lord.
I am appearing on 6, my lord,
My lord,
as petitioner.
my lord, here, my lord, this matter initially filed in the Guwahati and got transferred here, my lord.
Hmm.
Now my lord, the requisite copy in this, my lord, case, I've not been, my lord, I could not receive, my lord. So in this review of matter, this matter will be released after, my lord, break, my lord.
No,
So,
Break means-
no. I don't get the matter.
okay, yes, that is why.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. So
order
16, you
matter.
keep the matter on 16.
Your convenient, 16, all right,
16.
as per convenient,
16.
Yes.
yes,
And I am
as per
proposing,
convenient, my lord.
and I'm
On
6.
on 16.
And I am ensuring to supply the copy.
My requisite copy may be supplied to
Two copies
me.
I will supply.
You're returning today.
My
Then can you arrange for furnishing
lord,
copy?
there are local advocates, my lord.
Your junior is here, no?
Yes,
Then,
my lord, item number 6, my lord, they need some copies. So I am ensuring them to supply the copy today or tomorrow. my lord.
today or tomorrow. Within 2 days.
Within today, it may not be possible.
Within 2 days.
Yes. All right. Oblige.
And my lord, I beg to mention item number 12 also, my lord, 12. My lord, this matter may be released after break, my lord, puja break, my lord. There's, I require to file one.
After vacation.
Yes, my lord.
After vacation.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention the unlisted matter of repeat.
Unlisted matter, what? Why urgency?
My lord, urgency is that, my lord, already the work has been.
Huh?
My lord, already the work has been done. So, my lord, there are.
Work has been done,
Yes,
please.
yes,
Then,
Lordship, but there are so many irregularities, and we have filed
No,
one.
that is not
one
urgent.
representation,
No,
Lordship.
that is not urgent. How that?
Yes, I
can be
understand,
urgent?
but
Work is
just-
finished.
Yes, Lordship. Just 2 minutes,
Yeah,
I am
unnecessary,
taking this
no,
valuable.
Totally
valuable time of
unnecessary.
this.
You want to
honorable.
move it.
Just 2 minutes, Your Lordship. As the at the last.
But this is not urgent matter. How that can be urgent?
My lord, if we,
Contract work has been finished. It is done.
my lord, we have filed representation. Thereafter, the concerned authority did not respond our
Then
representation.
all right at 2 PM.
Yes, Lordship. I'm obliged, Your Lordship.
Don't put the registry in trouble now.
My lord,
The
deeply obliged.
Here is all the same period, my lord. My LPC has been cancelled, my lord, without considering my contentions, my lord. The LPC has been duly allotted to me on the basing on.
Now, are you mentioning that matter?
No, my lord, for unlisted matter, my lord, at 2 PM, my lord. My LPC has been cancelled without giving me and my lord the opportunity, my lord. So therefore, my lord, since tomorrow is the last working day, if lordship, my lord, the permits, my lord, the matter can be heard, my lord, at 2 PM, my lord. Only small matter, my lord.
Notice will be issued then. Like, next, any more? Mention?
My lord, for at 2 PM, my lord.
One matter, my lord, laptop, my lord. Item number
May I please, my lord?
Item number?
13. In that case, my lord, Mr. Jammu appeared and always shows.
18.
13.
13.
13.
Mm.
Mr. Jammu appeared in this case earlier, and letter of absence, there is a letter of absence on his part.
On the same day?
Same day, 16.
16, so many matters. On the same day, it will not be possible, I think. In the third week.
I will pay, my lord, every on 16, I will come in other. point.
Okay, on 16. 16. 16.
My lord.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention one unlisted writ petition, my lord. The matter is, my lord, eviction order has been given, my lord. So this matter may be, my lord, taken up today, my lord. Eviction order already given, my lord.
Very bad. No?
Matter already filed, my lord.
Only.
Much. Okay.
My lord, I need to mention unlisted matter. Yes, unlisted matter. Yes, matter may be
Okay,
taken
at
up
2
tomorrow.
p.m. Whatever is there.
Tomorrow.
At 2 p.m. today.
Lordship,
Next.
the
2 p.m.
eviction matter, Lordship. Eviction
2
matter.
p.m.
Tomorrow.
Next.
No, no, I beg to mention an item that has been pending before this honorable court, WPC number 310 of 2023 to be taken up tomorrow. It's a matter related to eviction and it needs to be disposed of.
Tomorrow.
Obliged. My lord, I beg to mention item number 2. The leading counsel for the petitioner is out of
Item number
state.
2.
Yes, my lord. May it kindly be listed after puja break.
After vacation.
Much.
Item number? One judgment is there. Judgment.
May I please, my lord? My lord, this is contempt petition, my lord.
Huh?
Contempt petition. For violation of order dated 2023/8/2021, my lord. My lord, we find the order.
All right. What is the order?
Order starts from page number 11, my lord. And the operative portion, my lord, is page number 18, my lord. In the last para, my lord.
For the excess of the design following
My lord, this order has been violated. This order was forwarded to the deputy commissioner, my lord, and to the executive engineer, my lord. And also to the commissioner. My lord will find the acknowledgement, my lord. In page number 15, my lord.
The interim order.
Yes, my lord. There is an interim order.
No construction shall be undertaken.
Yes, before the payment of the compensation amount, my lord. But my lord, construction process has begun, my lord. If construction has been carried out on 3rd of August, my lord.
By this application, page number 1. Issue notice to the alleged contemptors, respondents. All right. Issue not by stays be taken by registered AD post.
Yes.
Registered AD post. Within 2 days. Next steps on or before. All right, within 2 days. Can use this method in the 3rd week?
Yes.
Next.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, matter pertains to transfer posting in subordinate courts, my lord. The letter dated 15/6/2023, at page number 40, it's a self-explanatory, my lord. if your lordship have a look.
You mentioned it before the principal seat. Itanagar bench, or like. Where is the impugn order?
My lord, page 40 is the letter of communication from the Register Administration, Guwahati High Court, Itanagar branch to Register Admin, Assistant Register Admin to Register Admin, Guwahati High Court.
Where he is posted now, the petitioner?
CJM come Civil Judge Senior Division, Sanglang, my lord. And now
he is in what capacity?
A stenographer, my lord, grade 2.
Sir, reason for considering posting transfer from the court of CJM come civil judge to the establishment JM FC come civil judge.
He has not even applied for his hometown. He wants to in nearby hometown also because his brother died.
He was seeking transfer.
Yes, my lord.
From the office of the CJM.
Yes, my lord.
Sanglang.
Yes.
To the establishment of civil judge junior division Panging.
Yes, my lord.
This is your prayer.
Yes, my lord.
This representation was submitted.
Submitted, my lord.
Then what happened to this representation?
My lord, thereafter after submission of my representation, the letter was forwarded, my lord.
Where is the forwarding letter?
The forwarding letter is my lord, page 37. Yes, my lord, Annex 8.
Is requested to kindly look into the matter. Okay, a permanent bench.
Then, my lord, thereafter, this was again forwarded, my lord, from at page 40. It was from Assistant Register Admin to Register Admin on 15/6/2023.
Page number?
Page 40, my lord. But no action.
Register administration.
Yes, my lord. But no action has been taken till today, my lord.
Only recently it was forwarded. 15th
in the month of June, my lord.
Committee. There is a committee for transfer and posting.
My lord.
Of staff. And there is no committee sitting.
My lord may give a direction to consider my representation.
Definitely this will be considered. The next sitting of the committee.
My lord, as I have
done, it is always
my lord,
done.
there is no transfer policy regarding the subordinate court staffs in the Arunachal state, my lord.
The issue notice.
Much obliged, my lord.
Madam, anything?
I'm on the behalf of my senior counsel, Mukherjee, sir. He's out of station, my lord.
Mukherjee out of station, senior counsel. Yeah, maybe some guidelines, etc. But for judiciating, there is no any guideline for transfer.
Let them come with. Let them come with their.
Committee will decide. Committee will decide.
My lord, let them come with
next
their.
agenda.
My lord, my humble prayer is that let them come with their decision. Lordship may issue notice.
No, I'm
at this
issuing
stage.
notice. I'm issuing notice simply. This is sufficient. Let them receive the notice first.
Yes.
Principal seat. This will work.
My lord. My lord, my name may be reflected in the cause list. BM Decca, my lord.
The name of Mr. BM Dekar, learned counsel for the petitioner shall be reflected in the cause list.
Much of it.
List the 4th week of November.
My lord.
You are from Guwahati.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, why don't you meet the register administration or register vigilance? It is always done.
I met them, your lordship, but as they have suggested me to approach this honorable court only because means thousands of not thousands, hundreds of applications has been pending before them.
From Arunachal Pradesh.
Not only Arunachal Pradesh, from the outlining benches.
Never. Because Before
I
transfer of
personally-
any-
I personally met-
Before transfer of any stuff, the concerned portfolio judge is consulted.
I personally met, they told me that there is no transfer policy. That's why they couldn't do it.
All right.
Much obliged.
My pleasure. The case before the lordship is my lord. While my lord, I was my lord executing the work out of the contempt work out of the order my lord issued by the government. My lord, the impugn order has been passed, wherein my lord, my work has been stopped under 144 of the my lord clause 2. So I'll directly straightaway take to the lordship to the page number 28. Oh, sorry, my lord, 22.
Wherein the
My lord,
petitioner has been directed to remove any construction.
Well, this is the sanction order, and I'm
Passing on subsequent income.
I'm in the serial, pertaining to the serial number 4. Thereafter, my lord, may kindly come to the page number 24. Is the tender notice formally, and this need not to read on, my lord. And my lord, may kindly come to page number 27.
24 notice inviting it tender.
Notice inviting tender in 24. Thereafter, in page number 27. Here, my lord will find that the letter that I have participated in the tender process. Thereby, my lord, letter of acceptance was issued to me on 16 September 2023. 27, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, in 28.
CPWD works in shall be valid up to 3 months.
And my lord, in page number 28, next. This is the letter of the my lord work order. Letter for commencement of the work. In the same case, my lord, I have been issued the work order by the department. Thereafter, my lord, in next page 29. This is my lord, this is the land availability certificate. Before commencement of the my lord DPR, before passing of the DPR, my lord, there was a survey from the department, and thereby department has my lord found the land availability for my lord establishment of the health center. Page 29. And thereafter, my lord, may kindly come to page 34. While my lord work was executed, my lord, by the my lord, these are the person anonymous, my lord, without putting their name, but their mobile number is there. Out of their mobile number, my lord, we are able to check out. Here, my lord, they have complained against my work, wherein my lord, they said without knowing about the my lord reason behind the work order, the complaint was there. Now, my lord, what the magistrate has done, my lord, without inquiry to the complaint, my lord, the order was passed directly on the same day. My lord will find in page number 35, which is the impugn order before the lordship. On the basis of the information of the person without name, representing the lower mob 2 and lower mob 1 and 2 of the Itanagar, this order has been passed. 35, my lord.
35.
Page 35. This is the impugn order before the lordship. I'd like to read it out from page, second paragraph, my lord. It is to report that the children park situated at the lower mob to Itanagar is only the recreational place and where the children spend their leisure time and also public gathering for the meeting, etc. There is no other place nearby. And whereas it is felt necessary to prevent the danger of the human life, safety, and disturbances to public peace and tranquility. Therefore, I, Shri Sasensas, Deputy Commissioner, Kam District
Unauthorized construction.
Magistrate Capital. So, Magistrate Capital.
Unauthorized construction.
Ma'am. In exercise of the power under section 144(2) of the CRPC, do hereby forbid an unauthorized construction of any kind within the premises of the children's park located at the mob to Itanagar with the immediate effects. So, my lord, this has been passed on the assuming that, my lord, assuming that the construction was going on with the children park. In fact, my lord, the construction was going on as per, my lord, site shown by the concerned executive engineer, my lord. Therefore, my lord, thereafter, I have filed a written statement by stating all the reasons how and why this construction was going on. But despite of that, my lord, without hearing to me, my lord, this order was passed. Now, my lord, in continuation to this order, the impugn order said that on the next day, that is the 20 September 2022, my lord, I was supposed to evict it. Therefore, my lord, I approached this honorable court by the WPC number 478 and
This
subsequent order.
eviction
Eviction
was
person,
supposed to be carried out on 20th September.
my lord, that has been stated by this honorable court, my lord.
Where is the order?
My lord, kindly come to the page number 54, my lord.
Wrong you. Oh, 16.
My lord. Now, what is remaining is, my lord, since the order has been passed under 144 CRPC subclause 2, my lord, this is still, my lord, blocking my way to constructing the, my lord, this contact.
All right, I will say, respondent side.
This case only notice maybe.
Notice.
So, my lord, notice may be issued in the meantime, the present impugn be stayed, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, this is the public interest, my lord. This is constructing with a specific time to be completed within the six months. And at the same time, this purpose is for my lord, public health. Therefore, my lord,
They will be difficult.
otherwise, my lord, until and unless, my
Public interest will be jeopardized.
my lord, this is, my lord, on the wrong assumption it has been said. My lord, one thing, my lord, before conclusion.
In every construction work, there is one writ petition.
That is here.
Always.
And
That is why condition is
my lord,
asked.
here in the particular case, the public meeting was already constituted, my lord.
Problems.
My lord, may kindly come to.
I am issuing notice, when?
My lord, in page
It will
number
come up
47.
After 15 days, this will again come up.
But at least, my lord, till returnable, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the construction is, my lord, broken.
This children.
15 days gives time for 15 days time. On, this immediately after vacation.
Notices.
Notice. Take steps within 2 days.
All right.
Right, Mr. Lord. Matter will in fact recall this matter. Mr. Soki was appearing.
What is this?
My lord. Transfer order was issued, but the petitioner was not being released. In fact, your lordship had directed on 9th that he should be released. On the same date, my lord, respondent authorities passes an order cancelling the earlier order. No reasons, nothing. That too, when your lordship was in session of the matter. The lordship may kindly have page 27 for a moment.
This order was passed on 9th.
Yes. On 9th. because-
7 days time was granted.
Yes. And they have cancelled my earlier transfer order, my lord. Can they do that? The judgment of our Honorable High Court, that when your lordships are in session of a matter, the administrative authorities cannot be.
What is the order?
In fact, let me point out, my lord, your lordship on 3rd, my lord, asked them to get instruction. They were aware of the
Let me
matter.
see that relevant order.
39.
39.
Yes. In partial, yes, my lord. In partial modification of this
And
office,
this court's order,
this court's order is at,
in partial modification of this court's earlier.
this court's order is at page
By the secretary,
33. Oh, sorry, 35.
35.
Yes. Operating portion is at page 38. This is also dated 9th, page 38. Upon hearing the learned counsel for both sides in detail as above.
Council for both says in detail as above and considering. That transfer order has been cancelled.
Yes.
Yes. What do you say on this? This order was passed on 9th.
Yes.
No, sir.
Immediately thereafter, this order has been
On-
cancelled.
On the same day, no, sir.
Only.
I need to take instruction also.
Huh? Personal appearance tomorrow. This cannot be tolerated, right? Without any reason, simply
Yes.
cancel. To flout the order of the High Court. Order is passed after some time.
My lord, may kindly,
I will not wait. On 9th of October, this order was passed to release the person within 7 days. On a very next date, after receipt of this order, immediately the transfer order is cancelled.
I understand.
What is
lordship.
this?
Yes, lordship, I understand. That is.
Without assigning any reason, personal appearance.
My lord, may punish me.
This will know. It
One
will-
one
if
order, lordship.
necessary, it will be referred to the principal seat. Receive justice.
Okay. Tomorrow, my lord.
To that extent, I cannot tolerate. There should be rule of law.
My lord, I am on.
Tell him to revoke this order, or I will place it before the highest authority.
Tomorrow, my lord.
They can do anything.
It is really unfortunate. lordship.
Unfortunately, no,
Yes.
it is happening here. Personal appearance tomorrow.
My lord, may,
He has to explain it.
yes, lordship. No, I am only praying for.
He has to
lordship,
explain it
punishing
personally,
of-
by personally appearing before this bench.
Yes, lord. I'm only praying for this
Don't
punishing of
show
copies.
disrespect to the
Copy
High
of the
Court.
order to me, lordship, so that I can transmit the order to the authority, lordship.
Now I will pass the
Yes,
order.
lordship. Yes, lordship.
Copy to also the chief secretary. What is happening here? Don't play with the code. Next. By this way, that way, people are harassed.
Yeah.
You are now for a petitioner side. No? I'm not telling you.
Please, my lord, this is actually a violation of your Article 39 D of the Constitution of India. That is right, equality, equal work and right of equality in pay and equal work. Matter of fact is that my lord petitioner, number 16, number he joined in the year 1991 as a ophthalmic assistant. That is like a eye technician. So in the same department manner, in a similarly situated place, and if employees, they have been given the, my lord, enhancement of the pay benefits. And such, my lord, there is a disparity of the pay scale, my lord. As per the recruitment rule, my lord, the recruitment rule says that annexure 4, page 100, then the, my lord, and schedule, page 102, my lord. This is very recruitment rule. Page, column 4. Rupees 4,500 to 1,125 to 7,000. As per the recruitment rule, my lord, the respondent authorities, they have not complied, my lord. And they have paid the salary at the rate of, my lord, per month, my lord, rupees 1,400, there's 40 rupees, there's 1,800, then EB, efficiency bar, 150, then 2,200 rupees per month. And since 1991, the petitioners are working as a ophthalmic assistant in the department. Whereas in the similarly situated, like your general nurse, midwives, then my lord, the staff nurse, their pay scale already been enhanced. So my lord, this my lord, let the notice be issued to the
Notice.
And requisite, yes.
Instruction, file affidavit.
My lord, requisite extra copy may be served.
Requisite extra number. Copies we furnish. Today available na copy, extra copies?
Yes, ma'am.
It was. List. 3rd
Malad.
of November.
Malad.
Much obliged.
Time set.
May I please, madam? Madam, in here, madam, respondent number 3 has filed affidavit, madam. It says, madam, I need some.
Number 3. Response 3 has filed affidavit. You are representing whom, madam?
Yes, madam. I'm appearing for 1 to 4, my lord.
You will file affidavit?
No, my lord.
Will you file? Will you file affidavit?
We have already filed, my lord.
Already filed?
Yes, my lord.
Madam, I know,
File rejoinder.
I need some time to file a rejoinder, ma'am.
Rejoinder?
Yes, ma'am.
And the counsel for appearing for the petitioner. 6 petitioners. 6 some time to file rejoinder affidavit. Please allow, please. 2nd week of November. Is there any interim order? Nothing.
No. Obliged.
Lord, in this case, my lord, only question is, my lord, whether I am entitled to get some advertisement compensation in terms of the, my lord, notification issued by the state bank. And notice was issued, and as per the order of the court, my lord, I supplied, Lord, requisite copies. And this is the, my lord, acknowledgement receipt. Now I don't know, my lord, whether-
We need some more time, my lord.
Some time for?
Yes, my lord. For
Filing
filing
affidavit?
affidavit, my lord.
You are for respondent number? Numbers
for
2 to 10.
2, 3, 4,
2 to 10.
2, 3, 4 to 10, and then 11 or 12, my lord.
File affidavit.
My lord, may I just,
And Kato is here.
I am for respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1. Yes, full justice.
my lord, may I pray that my lord, matter may be, my lord, admitted? This matter may be
But
admitted. because-
affidavit is yet to be filed.
Yes,
Na?
madam.
Affidavit may not
They
be
are
respect
yet
of
to
the merit.
examine the matter.
Affidavit in respect of merit of the case. So unless.
Let them file their affidavit thereafter.
My lord.
Not ready. Readings not ready.
Obliged, your lord.
This transfer and posting order. I have filed this interlocutory application for alteration and modification of the impugned transfer and posting order on the premises that, my lord, the entire rate petition has been structured, my lord, on the basis of a guide, transfer and posting guidelines. Now, my lord, on the first contention, my lord, it is no more res integra in law that transfer and transfer posting guidelines, either the OAM are not statutory in nature. Therefore, it is not mandatory and it is not enforceable as well. These honorable court as well as the apex court in Katina of judgments, my lord, have held these are only advisory in nature, my lord. One. And number two, that I'll place the authority. Number two, my lord, mala fide has been alleged, but the petitioner has made no whisper anything about the mala fide, and thereby they have not made the person whom they have stated at the instance or at the behest of the Honorable Minister Education, my lord, has not been made party, my lord. So therefore, it is imperative for this honorable court, what has been held, my lord. There is one particular judgment, my lord, 2007, one GLT. Yes, my lord.
The grounds are implicit in the interim order itself.
Yes.
You see, considering the contention raised as above,
correct,
that a petitioner and the respondent number 3 have not completed their normal tenure of posting of 2 years at the respective place of posting as provided in the transfer and posting guidelines, but have barely completed about 1 year and 3 months. 1 year, 3 months.
The normal tenure is, my lord,
provided the impugned transfer order relations to university.
my lord, the normal tenure is 2 years.
This is a guideline, no?
Yes. So therefore,
Guideline.
therefore, my lord, no legal and fundamental right of the petitioner has been violated. One. Number two, my lord, kindly have this fundamental rule 11 for a moment, my lord. Kindly have this effort. Fundamental rule 11 says whole time of a government employee is at the discretionary of the employer. Fundamental rule 15 says, my lord, since his salary is being paid out of the state exchequer, it is the employer who will decide where to post, whom to post.
Question of reasonability is also there.
No, my lord. The question is,
He is at my disposal. Whatever I like, I can do. Include there, include there, again, transfer from there.
no, my lord, subject to the
There must
conditions.
be justification.
No, my lord. My lord, a while ago, my lord has said that there has to be a rule of law.
Exactly.
Rule 15 too, fundamental rule.
28(9) order.
Yes.
Meter is fixed immediately after 2 weeks.
Correct. So thereby I have filed this IA. And
For
today has been
notification or vacation.
correct, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, generally they allow the guidelines. My allegation is I am the victim of pagan transfer, my lord. Within 2 span of the year, I have this transfer order is third occasion, my lord. And regular transfer that does not, which does not follow the norms of transfer is amount to the collateral exercise of power, my lord. And that's amount to the malafide, my lord. I have authority on that point, my lord. So it's basically I met it para 6 with my petition, my lord. Said this transfer is a third occasion in two span of 2 years, within the 2 years, my lord. So all three transfer has been made before completion of my lord guidelines. And when pregnant transfer is made, the reason is to be given, my lord. In transfer, there is no any reason, my lord. So I am victim of the pregnant transfer, my lord. I have the authority of our apex court, my lord, and that's authority has referred to the constitutional bench, my lord, 5 bench judgment, my lord. So if my lord permit, I'll raise that authority, my lord. Yes, I do accept guidelines is not rules and not the law, but constant transfer, my lord. Volume 1 to be. Volume 1. My lord. This is of the year 1986 SCC 955. My lord, may come to the phase 3, my lord. Phase 3, para 5, my lord. Start from the para 5.
Phase 3, para 5.
Para 5, my second para, to relevant, my second para. It's referred to the EP Royapa versus State of Tamil Nadu, which is the constitutional bench, decision of the constitutional bench, my lord. Second para, it is, my lord. May I read, my lord? Second para, my lord. It is an accepted principle that in public service, transfer is an incident of service. It is also an implied condition. The service and appointing authority has wide discretionary in the matter. The government is best judged to decide how to distribute and utilize the service of its employees. However, this power must be exercised honestly, bona fide, and reasonably. It should be exercised in a public interest if the exercise of power is based on external consideration or for achieving an aligned purpose or an oblique motive. It will amount to malafide and collateral exercise of power.
You were requesting whom? One.
I'm my lord, writ petitioner, my lord. Writ petitioner. Since I have not completed my.
One. Oh,
I have not completed.
One person, figure 1.
I have not completed my argument. If my lord desires, kindly, I was referring to Fundamental Rule 11, my lord. Kindly see.
The hearing of government side is required.
My lord, I am for the government.
They file affidavit.
I am, my lord.
TC, I think. Picha is there.
EC.
Yes, sir.
All right, again I will hear you. Yes, what is
My lord,
your submission?
but your lordship may please come to page 22, my lord, of the writ petition. Since the writ petitioner has been forcing on the circular, my lord, page 22, my lord, circular dated 2 June 1998, page 22. My lord, may please come to para 1A. No officer of group A and B should be posted in his home district so that he does not develop vested interest. Now this writ petitioner is from Lower Subansiri district and he's a group A officer. If he so forces on circular,
So he cannot be posted in the same
Home
district. Home
yes.
district.
Yes, my lord. My lord, it is for the settled position of law that for enforcing, my lord, this circular, my lord,
Do you
writ cannot be
know
maintained.
his date of superannuation? You know his date of superannuation?
He is not in, no, my lord, he is young. My lord.
Yes.
No, by his,
Yeah, newcomer.
yeah, page, age 49, my lord, page 14, my lord, his affidavit.
Page number?
14, 1-4 of the writ petition, my lord.
11 years to go.
49 years. My lord.
14.
1-4, yes. Affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit.
Yes. 49 years. Writ petitioner is 49 years.
All right.
Or the settled position of law is that, my lord, for violation of guidelines, my lord, it cannot be maintained.
Yes, now Kara.
Well, the first proposition that I have said is fundamental rule 11. Well, kindly see. The fundamental rule 11 says whole time of a government employee is at the discretion of the employer. Is kindly see, my lord. Then this has to read conjointly with fundamental rule 15, my lord. I don't know, my lord, how many times I must have relied on this fundamental rule 11 and 15, my lord. Yeah. Meaning thereby, my lord, transfer and posting is an incidence of service, my lord. So therefore, an employee cannot agitate before a court or before the authority that I should be posted in a, posted in a choice of my place, my lord. That's what. My lord, number two, precisely, my lord. Whether guidelines is mandatory or not. My lord will kindly have this.
You see,
2007 one volume.
all right. He has raised some grounds, in fact.
That's what, my lord. I will clarify.
Grounds. He also has some grounds. You also have, no doubt. But let them file their objection, clarifying the exact position.
Yes, sir.
For 2 weeks' time.
Well, this IA has to be.
No, IA still. It is very fixed.
No, my lord, kindly.
No. Modification cannot be done like this.
Let us dispose of, my lord.
I know so many thousands of matters were disposed of, but here the objections are not filed. You want to file objection?
Yes, sir.
And this will also file objection.
Well, I have filed affidavit in opposition.
Huh?
My affidavit has
Government
been
has already
filed. Is it IA, no?
No. IA we are not objecting.
Huh?
IA we will not be filing.
You will not be filing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I'll file.
You will file. Some reasons are there.
My lord will kindly appreciate.
That may be fixed on that day.
On that day, fix it. Fix this after 2 you wait
On that
for
day.
15 days. And objection. Where is the interim order?
My lord, on 8.
Huh?
8.
8.
As a first item in the admission column.
On 8.
Interim order will continue.
In the admission column.
Yes, sir.
As the first item.
The interim order first. Interim order date 28/9/2023. Will continue till then.
Obliged. Obliged.
Obliged.
Grateful.
Go back on. Very well, very close now. This secretary and the deputy minister, I must say.
My pleasure, my lord. My lord, here the petitioner don't want to press. My lord, here the petitioner, they don't deserve to press the matter further. So I have been instructed to withdraw the matter, my lord.
This one?
Yes, item number 9, my lord.
Withdraw. Close from withdraw.
Obliged, my
On being withdrawn. On instruction.
obliged.
My lord, in this matter, I have received the respondent affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 2, and rest are yet to file. So the
Respondent number
2 has filed.
2 expired.
Filed,
File
yes,
affidavit.
affidavit, and the rest are yet to file.
File affidavit.
One.
You-
We have filed, my lord.
Madam,
One.
you
One.
were for
For respondent number 1, my lord.
respondent number 1. You have
My lord,
only 2 has filed
no,
Only
my-
one is, by mistake, they have written 2, my lord. It's actually 1.
by mistake.
Okay.
Flag mark as
I'll
2.
correct it.
my lord, I'm appearing on behalf of standing counsel, Mr. P. Tapo,
Uh.
for Department of UD and Housing. He is
This is by,
representing,
this is by 2.
no,
1.
1.
Respondent number 1, my lord. We have
Kumar
filed.
Ratan.
Yes, my lord.
Kumar
So,
Ratan
technically
is Kumar Ratan, who is he? Section 1, person. I am the administrative officer in the office of the urban development.
Yes, my lord. Secretary.
Here the respondent number
2 and 3.
1, 2.
2 and 3,
Yes, UD and housing.
UD and Housing.
Mm.
My lord, we have sought instruction, but we have not received the written instruction from the department as yet.
File affidavit. Required instructions are not received. SS, MS so and so, 6 trying to file to obtain the instruction and then file affidavit in opposition. On behalf of respondents number
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Then it is already respondent number 2 already printed. How can you correct it?
They should have.
You
filed
rectify the defect. By hand also it will be. This in the third week of November.
My lord, this matter pertaining to the transport. So on the last occasion, my lord, the specific direction was from the honorable court to file the reply from the department, man. So I have yet to receive the reply from the department, man.
Reply from the department.
Man.
You are for the petitioner side.
My lord, I am for the petitioner side,
Mm.
wherein, my lord, by the transfer order, I have been transferred from Pasigat to Alo.
Mm.
And in the meantime, where the transfer order said that this will be effected in the, by 20 September 2023. This transfer order was passed on 5 September 2023. And accordingly, within the 3 days, on 8 September, I filed my representation for reconsideration of the transfer order. But despite of that, after the expiry of the time, they have rejected my representation without passing any reason. On cryptically, they said that your representation cannot consider at this stage. Whereas I was filed on 8, but despite that, after
Who passed such an order? Who
Mal-
passed?
this passed by the respondent authority.
Superintendent.
Mal.
Page number? Kato, anything to say?
Just I have received the pair-wise comment, my lord.
Oh, you were waiting. for
Page
the-
22,
All
Mal.
right, 22. This way.
Within 2 or 3 days, we'll file, my lord.
2 weeks time. Hey, he will file affidavit
Right.
in opposition. Let him file. Huh?
In the
You are
meantime, my
for
lord,
respondents number
My lord, respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2.
3 is private respondent, my lord.
1 and 2, 3 private respondents. Notice served or not?
No, my lord.
6. Respect to respondent 3, Not
Is-
return.
is step to the private
Await for
respondent.
service report.
Yes, already I have taken the step to respondent three.
But it is not returned, so await for service report.
Until then, my
Come, we
lord,
will file affidavit.
my lord, there is danger that I may be released at any time. Therefore, my lord, till that I may not be released, my lord.
My lord, other incumbent has already joined, my lord. He is
He has
this.
no instruction, na?
My lord,
Other incumbent has also joined.
my lord,
It
joined.
says.
And my lord, this is
Even
essentially
then,
the
my
14th place, my lord.
But it will be class.
Deep level.
Yes, son. This is your matter. I have gone through the documents. I personally feel, of course, that some administrative lapses are there, but still, there is no case in your favor. This is my minor note. Huh? No case, because originally she was appointed on contract basis. And this respondent number 7 was appointed on regular basis through interview.
No, man, there was no any interview then.
That is your case, as per document. And relying on the affidavit, because repetitions are decided based on the affidavit. What is to rely on, unless there is some other materials showing that there is element of falsity. That petitioner is not trouble. This director elementary education appointed the petitioner for the secondary education. Can he do that?
No, my lord.
You see, that is going on everywhere, in every matter, illegally. And now this petitioner is victim. Order was passed on 9th of October. Immediately on the following day, the transporter is cancelled. Your department. This is for the first time I have come across. I'll take action, very serious action against this deputy commissioner. I'll tell you. To tell him to revoke this order by today. Because without assigning any reason that the transporter has been revoked.
Yes, ma'am.
Cancelled. That cannot be allowed at least before this bench. Don't play. Without assigning any reason, transporter is cancelled. At 2.
Honorable Court, Secretary Land Management has issued another order whereby the transfer of the petitioner has been cancelled without assigning any reason. And Lordship has in fact desired his personal presence of the secretary before this honorable court.
What
Now,
is the information now?
now, my lord, I have spoken to the secretary, and secretary has informed me that they are passing this order today, recalling the cancellation of the transfer order. So that will be done today, Lord.
That has been done.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Because you see, this petitioner requested the authority to transfer him from Tawang, I think.
Yes, from Tawang.
Tawang. On the ground of his illness.
Yes.
He is very badly sick. And for that reason, this order was passed to release him
within a period of 7 weeks.
Within a period of 7 days.
Yes, Lord.
But unfortunately, that before receiving this order, the authority, that order, unfortunate order was passed without assigning any reason.
On the same day, Lord.
Okay, now that has been.
Now, Lord, yes, that order now is being recalled today.
Recalled.
Yes, yes, Lord.
Okay, then it is accepted.
You know, Lord.
Where is Panging?
I have tried to contact him. His phone is of course ringing, but he's not picking up the call. He might have left the premises also.
This has become infructuous then.
Yes, it is in fact to become infructuous. Still, also, I will suggest this matter may be listed tomorrow, so that this court.
He is an employee. Others are also employee. Feel that they are in your custody. They are your family members. That
Yes.
they will be brought in the state. Otherwise, no. If with depression, no one works.
Yes, Lordship.
Nothing will be contributed.
In fact, this petitioner, Lordship, he was not seeking his posting here at Itanagar. He was seeking for posting somewhere which is low altitude, because he has a problem of respiration, might be, Lordship. That is why he has sought for transferring him out of Tawang. Because Tawang.
The order will be out today. That order.
Yes, Lordship. It will be out today, Lordship.
It is in process.
In process, Lordship. It is in process.
Okay. He will be informed.
Yes, Lordship. Much obliged.
Next. Motion matter 21.
May I please, my lord? My lord, here the matter is that I have a possessed plot of land since 2002, my lord, at New Delhi, by adjacent to the road between New Delhi and Daimuk, my lord. It was possessed since 2002, my lord, and I have constructed.
The acquisition process.
Yes, my lord.
Was undertaken in the year 2002.
2002, my lord. Since 2002, I have possessed that plot of land by occupying, my lord. So in that, during that period of time, there was no any person has occupied that plot of land, which is adjacent to the roadside, my lord, usually to Daimu, my lord. So thereafter, what happened, my lord, since some years back, one of the person, this private respondent number 4, my lord, he has purchased one plot of land just adjacent to my plot of land. He has purchased one plot of land, my lord. And thereafter, in the year 2022, he has started construction, RCC building construction. And he has encroached my land, my lord. In the slab portion of that RC building, encroached my portion of land, my lord. So accordingly, my lord, I have my complaint applications to the extra assistant commissioner come state of again. Page number 18 is, my lord, my representation complaint before the. So in reference to this complaint, page number 18 is my complaint letter, my lord. I made this complaint. This ESC state officer has constituted, pass an order, my lord, on dated 26 May 23, my lord. Page number 21 is the order being passed by my lord ESC state officer. So, my lord,
this is in fact a complaint, no?
Yes, my lord. I was
private complaint.
Private complaint, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, by constituting this 4-member committee by the state officer to inquire and verify the complaint which I made before the state officer, my lord. So, my lord, this committee has, after spot verification, they have submitted a report before the state officer, my lord. So this to me, so my lord. So on that, my lord, on 27/9, which is impugn order, my lord, page number 26, my lord. Annexure 7, my lord. Yes, my lord. That's the page number 26A is a typed copy. So this copy was sent me through WhatsApp, my lord, in my mobile, and so far I have not received the hard copy, my lord, from the concerned authorities. So, my lord, here in the order that the eviction order has already given to me, my lord, stating that as per the 4-member committee report, I have encroached the right of way, my lord, ROW, between road from New Delhi to Dimuk, my lord, without ascertaining the fact that, my lord, in fact, my complaint was against the private respondent. So after verification being submitted by the committees, the committee is without ascertain the fact, my lord. So based on the report being submitted by the committee, the state officer private respondent number 2 has, my lord, passed this eviction order, my lord. And I was directed to vacate my structure within 10 days, my lord. And if I fail to vacate my that Gunti shop, my lord, small shop, since 2005, I was running this small shop, my lord, which sustain for economical sustain of my family member, my lord. So if, my lord, this Gumti, the small shop may be affected, my lord, I may be deprived of, my lord. So this is, my lord, my case before this lordship, honorable court, my lord. So, my lord, in fact, my lord, thereafter, I have also made representation before the state officer to reconsider his order dated 27/9, my lord. But so far, my representation not considered, and he has plainly refused that he will not recall his order dated 27/9.
Who is the appellate authority?
My lord, affiliate authority is chief state officer. If suppose the
have you filed any appeal?
Lordships, so I have not filed, my lord.
To file,
Yes, your
when
lordship.
remedy is available.
Yes, your lordship.
To file a
Lordship, the matter is that my area is fell under the village jurisdiction, my lord, New Delhi village 1.
See, there is question of fact is involved in the matter.
Yes.
There is a need for a survey or a spot inspection.
Yes.
So you file an appeal.
My lord.
You file an appeal. I think
Section 12.
Section 12 is there.
Section 12 is there.
Yes,
Yes,
my lord,
your
that is there.
He is a appellate authority who file appeal.
Yes, your lordship.
So issue notice.
Status quo,
Your
maybe,
lordship,
lordship, eviction.
He has the remedy, your lordship.
He has remedy.
Yes, he have to.
Remedy is there.
Yes, your lordship.
Legal remedy is there. But you have filed a writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
Instead
your
of
lordship.
filing appeal, now you are fully, you
Lordship.
have the knowledge that you are going to be evicted within 10 days.
Yes, my lord.
File an appeal.
Yes, your lordship.
Lordship, till filing of the appeal before the competent
Filing when
authority.
you will file.
Yes, my lord.
No, your
So,
lordship. The appellate
eviction
court
order
also
will be,
has
my
the
lord,
power to stay the
What is the limitation to file an appeal?
1 month.
limitation maybe 30 days, my lord.
30 days, your lordship.
30 days.
When this order was passed?
This order was
27, my lord, 27/9.
27/9.
Yes,
Yes,
your
my
lordship.
lord.
This is sufficient time.
Yes, your lordship. And moreover, your lordship, the appellate.
You immediately file an appeal.
Yes, your lordship. They also
But,
can
in
stay
the
the
meantime-
proceed order, stay this order, your lordship.
Huh?
Appellate court can also stay this order. Order of eviction, your lordship.
Yes. Appellate court can stay the
My
order.
lord, my prayer is that till the filing of appeal before the competent authority, lordship, that impugn order maybe status may be given, lordship.
Yeah.
Otherwise, lordship, the private respondent will.
He will decide
Yes, your
from the
lordship.
date of service of this notice.
Yes, your lordship.
It is not clear from this document that when the notice was served. So he will get the 30 days period to file an appeal against this impugn order to the appellate authority. So for this 30 days period,
Yes, your lordship.
eviction should not be carried out.
My lord.
That can be done.
Otherwise,
Yes,
that
yes.
will amount to infringement of his statutory.
Yes, your lordship.
My lord.
Yes, your lordship.
To that extent.
Until the filing of appeal within the stipulated time period,
Stipulated statute.
that may be possible, your lordship.
In the this hard so and so. Hard so and so. Is 1415. 1415.
as the petitioner has remedy under section 12.
Yes, your lordship.
12 of the APPP.
Yes, your lordship.
APPP within bracket, eviction of unauthorized occupants. Bracket closes Act 2003 to prefer an appeal against the order of eviction passed by the estate officer.
Yes, my lordship. Private respondent number 2, my lord.
It is provided that the respondents, more particularly the respondent number 2, shall maintain status quo as on today
Yes, your lordship, that can be done.
for the period, statutory period of limitation. You should prefer an appeal against the aforesaid impugn order.
Yes,
That
Please,
Much
you are protected.
highly obliged.
Okay, list after 4 weeks.
My pleasure, lordship.
Hmm.
This matter pertains to your lordship conduct of an inquiry. That representation is filed before the DC of the Siang district, as well as to the PHE, Public Health Engineering and Water Supply Department, Pangin, to conduct an inquiry which the respondent number 5 was entrusted to do a tender work, your lordship. That actually, your lordship, in 2021, on 2/12/2012, one notification is released by the Arunachal Pradesh, government of Arunachal Pradesh, to provide safe drinking water to the people of Arunachal Pradesh in every district, your lordship. Thereafter, it is in page number 17, and my annexure is 1. In this representation, annexure is 1, your lordship. Thereafter, the Public Health Engineering and Water Supply Department released some villages where the augmentation of water supply will be held. That they will erected augmentation of water supply from where the villagers will get the water supply. But and the Gasheng village is also included there. It is in annexure 2, your lordship, at page number 18. Thereafter, in this writ petition, the respondent number 5, who successfully beat the said tender work and got the tender work, your lordship. That is annexure 3, your lordship. Thereafter, he started the said tender work, and in the midway of the said work, he placed one advance bill before the state PHE and water supply division of Pangin, my lord, to release a sum of amount of rupees 28 lakhs. Thereafter, he completely stopped the state contractual work, tender work, and thereafter, when the petitioner, who is the Gaugura of the Gaseng village, he inquired that the state respondent number 5, the contractor, submit the final bill and extracted the whole tender bill, your lordship. If your lordship go through the annexure 6 part, which is at page 30, there are so many irregularities which is done by the respondent number 5, your lordship. From 30 onwards, your lordship, the work which is done by the respondent number 5, private respondent, who is the contractor here.
Already constructed.
Yes, lordship. Yes. But thereafter the present petitioner filed one RTI application before the concerned authority. Thereafter, he got the knowledge that the state contractor has released all the bill,
And on the said, before completing the said tender work, he again placed a representation before the DC that kindly conduct an inquiry of the said tender work. But the DC and as well as the public health engineering department, the concerned authority, did not conduct any inquiry and keep mum, your lordship. Thereafter, the villagers as well as the present petitioner is the custodian of the said village. So no way left. He came before this honorable court to kindly at least to place a notice before to send a notice
Okay,
before.
the notice issued.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Or his junior.
In the 4th week of November.
Yes, lordship.
Your lordship, extra copies may be furnished. Extra copies may be furnished to us.
Yes, we are.
They are in the computer, not extra copy. Yeah. Please, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kato.
In fact, I made a mention for listing before this morning. As per the record, the information from the registry, there is a caveat wherein the counsel for the petitioner is Mr. Tony Party. I contacted him over telephone. He's saying that he's out of his station, so may not be able to appear today, madam. So that is the difficulty, madam. Now, the
Caveator not available today for hearing.
I contacted him over telephone. He's saying that he will be available in the next Friday, madam. So therefore,
Next Friday.
Friday, madam.
Next Friday, how? Because of this.
Tomorrow is the last working day. Therefore, madam, the week.
Friday.
So therefore, madam, my
Will be available tomorrow. Tomorrow.
yes, madam.
He'll be available tomorrow.
No, my lord. He as per the information over telephone, he is not available even tomorrow, madam.
Oh, then it will go to after vacation.
So therefore, this is the difficulty, my lord, since after filing of the
caveator without reading caveator.
my lord, after filing of the caveat petitions, my lord, the person concerned, my lord, the counsel for the caveator is not available in such circumstances, my lord. My lord, may kindly
On some day when you see him,
my lord,
and then they mention
my lord, that is the difficulty, madam.
junior son. Junior.
So therefore, my lord,
Okay.
my petition,
Come up after vacation.
my lord, my read petition may be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Which one? Without caveator, how can I pass for that?
My lord,
Caveat is there, no?
caveat is there, my lord.
How can you ignore?
No, my lord, difficulty is he's not available tomorrow.
Difficulty, unfortunately.
My lord, one difficulty is unless if he is not available, my lord, the question of my lord serving the copy to the my lord, the counsel
He
for
will not be available. If
My lord,
somebody appears, then
my lord, in
case will
such
be different.
circumstances, it is difficulty very.
Caveator must be present, na? Without caveator, no hearing can take place.
My lord, in that case, my lord, may allow my lord, may I may be allowed to serve the copy to his junior, my lord, for tomorrow, my lord.
I can take up your matter, but provided caveator is.
My lord, by tomorrow, my lord, I'll serve, my lord.
Caveator must be present, na?
My lord, this evening, I'll serve him, my lord. By this evening, my lord, I'll serve.
Then tomorrow let the matter
My
be
lord.
listed.
Even if it is not come, my
Nah,
lord.
without caveator, it will not be possible.
My lord, here always the problem is, my lord, after the filing of the caveat petitions, the counsel who is filed the caveat is nowhere. My lord, that is in every my lord, cases.
Without hearing caveator.
My lord, we'll try to serve upon the copy upon the caveat this evening, my lord. If it is not possible, my lord, for tomorrow, my lord. Deeply, my lord.
I'm waiting for junior of Pangling. Oh, Pangling has left. Huh? Will be available tomorrow.
Deeply obvious, ma'am.
कल के लिए होती है क्या करेगा आज सर के लिए कोशिश करते हैं वो छुट्टी मना रहे एडवांस
कल के लिए फिक्स किया तो वो आया ना हाँ
बंद हो जाए